We'll begin our seated practice in a nice comfortable seat. Reach your left arm out, bringing your right arm across to your shin. Relax your head over to the right side. Inhale as you bring your left arm across your body. Keep your gaze up. Rotate the palm towards the ceiling. Gently turn your gaze down towards the mat. Inhale as you rise. Go ahead and switch sides. Place your fingertips of your right arm out. Tilt your head to the left. Breathe. Inhale. Bring that right arm across your body, looking up at your hand. Rotate your palm towards the ceiling, and then slowly bring your gaze towards the mat. Inhale as you rise, and place your hands down. Walk your fingertips out until you feel your stopping point. Tuck your chin. Relax your elbows. Sink. Inhale as you look up. Walk your hands back, and now we're going to place them right underneath our shoulders. Inhale as you open up your chest, looking up towards the ceiling. Relax your head and neck. Exhale as you release, rolling your spine up to posture. Go ahead and switch legs, so whichever one was on top, now place it on the bottom. And now we're going to repeat this practice again. Inhale as you bring that arm across your body. Rotate the palm up towards the ceiling, and then slowly bring your gaze towards the mat. Use that arm to bring you up to posture, and then switch sides. Relax the neck. Let it just softly hang naturally. Inhale, bring that arm up and across. Rotate the palm, and then slowly bring your gaze down. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale and rise. Walk your fingertips out. Relax the elbows, tuck the chin. Sink your weight down. Look up at your hands and then just walk them back. Open your heart center. Relax your head and neck. Inhale. Exhale as you slowly bring your gaze forward. Come up to posture, and now we'll bring our left leg out nice and long. Slide your left hand down the leg. Find your stopping point, and then open up your chest, bringing your right arm across your spine. Look over your right shoulder. Relax the shoulders. Bring that right arm across to join your left hand. Sink your weight down. Tuck your chin and look straight down at your knee or the mat. Inhale, rise. Bring your right arm back right underneath the shoulder blade and open up your hips. Let them rise. Exhale, release. Now lazily just go right back into a fold. Inhale, rise, and then we're going to go ahead and switch sides. Slide that arm down your leg, find your stopping point. Open up your chest and bring your left arm around. Look over your left shoulder. Smile and relax. Inhale, bring that arm across your body. Sink your weight down, look straight down at the mat. Inhale as you rise, and now place your left arm behind you, right underneath the shoulder blade. Open up your hips and reach. Inhale. Exhale as you release the hips, and just in a relaxed pose, just sink into forward fold. Inhale and rise. Go ahead and take a few breaths here, and then we'll continue our practice in table pose. We're going to begin our cat-cows. Go ahead and inhale. Make sure your shoulders are lined up. Exhale as you round the spine. Tuck the belly in towards the navel. Inhale. Relax your belly, look straight ahead. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, sink the belly and look up. Sink back into child's pose and let your arms get nice and long. Relax your elbows. Go ahead and look up at your hands and glide your weight forward. Push up, round the spine, and sink right back into child's pose. Child's pose glides. Look up at your hands and repeat the practice. Push up, round the spine, sink right back into child's pose. Breathe. Go ahead and look up at the hands, push your weight up, and now we're going to push back into downward facing dog. Exhale. Inhale as you roll your spine forward into a plank. Relax the spine neutral, sink in the legs, and push back into child's pose. We'll repeat this. Inhale, look up. Glide your weight forward, push up. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Inhale as you roll the spine into plank. Relax the spine and then drop the knees. Push back into child's pose. Go ahead and sit in hero's pose and take some relaxing breaths. You can repeat the whole practice or you can continue on to part 2.